Hey Lisa, what
Hi.
are you reading?
Well, I'm reading about the windjammers in Maine. And there's several of them that look like they would be a lot of fun to go take a trip with
Anything in
cottage cooking.
particular?
Well, there's this one, the J&E Riggin. And from what I've been reading, they have a wonderful chef on board.
Wow.
And I'm thinking maybe we can learn some stuff from her for our own classes and maybe even do a galley cooking class.
My God, I would be delighted.
Does that sound fun?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So Justin, what are you doing?
Just shucking some oysters.
Can you show me how to do this? On another
Absolutely.
one, if you don't mind, please.
Absolutely, my friend.
Looks
So,
great.
first things first, you must procure yourself an oyster. These are from the Damascata River. They're pemmiquids from Pemmiquid Point, which are some of the best oysters in the area. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold it as such, with the pointy end towards me. I'm going to stick my oyster knife in there, and I'm just going to kind of put medium pressure in there, kind of wiggle it around until I feel that I got a good hold in there. Then, with light inward pressure, I'm going to kind of leverage that hinge up. I'm going to be patient and wait for it to pop. Just
I
like
see.
that. You don't need to like drive it in there, because next thing you know,
Just
you're
apply
shucking
simple
your palm.
pressure.
So then after that, I kind of get my knife in there and I kind of leverage it back until I feel that I'm at the muscle that holds the two halves of the shell together. Once I'm there, I kind of give it a little pop, swipe underneath,
Super.
take my shell, send it back from whence it came, but not over yet. Gotta take my little shucking knife, go under the oyster, and cut the underside of that muscle to loosen
Okay.
it up.
Excellent. Thank you so much
Oh,
for
my
showing.
friends.
Awesome.
Some lemons over here. You could squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over your oyster if you like. There's an empty bowl next to the lemons. That's for you to discard of your rinds. Once you've slurped your oyster, the shell can go right over the side into the water. That's where they came from. That's where they can go back to.
Looks like on this one, the lobster get a revenge. All right, say something. Come on. Thank you, Captain Justin.
And Chef Jocelyn. We had such a wonderful time.